The standard linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and c not equal to 0. Next, a linear equation in two variables will have infinitely many solutions. The equation must have two variables like x and y. Such type of equations will have infinitely many solutions. And remember children, whenever we draw the graph of a linear equation, it is a straight line. Through a given point, how many lines can pass children? Infinite lines can pass through a given point. I hope you have followed children. Now coming to the problems. Yes. Problems. Write two equations passing through minus 2 comma minus 1. I have been telling you children, through a given point, how many lines can pass? Infinite lines can pass. Minus 2 minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 1. Yes? Infinite. All of you need not get the same answer children. It can vary. You write an expression having x and y values. Any expression. First one, 3x plus y. And substitute only these values children. 3 into minus 2 plus of minus 1 plus into minus 3 into 2 6 plus into minus 7. Therefore 3x plus y is equal to minus 7. You should have in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The equation becomes, bring minus 7 to this side, plus 7. And the second equation, anything, your choice children, you can write whatever you want. Minus 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 minus 3 into minus 1 minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3. Therefore, minus 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. The equation becomes minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. These are the two equations. Remember, the standard linear equation in two variables will be ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Just remember, whatever expression you write, you all must substitute only x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 1. That expression must have an x term and y term. Your wish children, write what you want. But when you substitute, your values have to be correct. I have got 3x plus y equal to minus 7. When I bring minus 7 to the left side, what does it become? Plus 7. Your equation is 3x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0. And in the same way, minus 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. The equation in two variables has got infinitely many solutions children. So all of you need not get the same answer. Your answer can vary provided you do correctly. Yes? If 2 comma 1 by 2 is the solution of, if 2 comma 1 by 2 is the solution of x by 2 minus 2y plus k is equal to minus 1, find k. Yes, 2 comma 1 by 2. 2 comma 1 by 2 means what children? x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. What is the equation? The equation is x by 2 minus 2y plus k equal to minus 1. Substitute your values. In the place of x, 2. In the place of y, what are you going to substitute? 2 and 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, children. Yes, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 plus k is equal. 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. Therefore, k is equal to minus 1. Yes. Hope you followed. One number is 20 more than thrice the other. Write a linear equation in two variables. Yes. What are the two numbers? Let two numbers be two variables, no children. X and y. One number is 20 more than 3 times the other. One number is what? X. Second number is what? Y. 20 more than 3 times the other. One number is 20 more than 3 times the other. One number is 20 more than 3 times the other. Therefore, write the linear. Draw the graph. Draw the graph of I have given an equation, children. I hope you remember. Y terms on left side, the remaining terms should go to right side. 3x when it goes to right, minus 7 when it goes plus. When y is negative, children, remember to change the signs throughout. If y is negative, change the signs throughout. Now you can give any values according to your choice, children. I am giving x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3 into 0, 0. 0 minus 7 is minus 7. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 6 minus 7 minus 1, 3. X is equal to minus 1. Three into 1, 3. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. X is equal to minus 1. 3 into minus 1 minus 7. Minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10. 3 values are enough, children. Don't forget to put the values in the box, girls. 0, minus 7, 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 10. Hope you remember. Y terms to left side, remaining terms to right side. If y is negative, change the signs throughout. Minus y, minus 3x plus 3x plus value becomes minus. And divide your graph paper into equal halves. Hope you followed. Left side minus x, right side x, y, minus y, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, yes, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, y dash. To the left of 0, negative, yes. To the right of 0, positive. Scale is a must, children. If you don't write the scale, you lose marks. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on x and y axis. First value 0 and minus 7. 0 first value x, second value minus 7. Minus 7 and y axis 1 and minus 4. 1 and minus 4. Minus 1 and minus 10. I have been telling you the graph of a linear equation is always a straight line. If you do not get a straight line, children, it is understood that your values are wrong, and please check once again. So that write the equation on the line. What is the equation on the line? The equation is 3x minus y is equal 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Hope you have followed, children. All of you. Practice. Without practice, don't expect any miracles to happen. Yes, all of you do these sums in linear equations in two variables.